Welcome back everyone, it's Sam from Tynker with another special selection of community highlights for this week. First up, we have The Impossible Game by Marshmallow82. Looking at the code, we see a few when pressed blocks for the direction and an on start block to set yourself up as the good guy. Run around this platformer to defeat all the enemies in your way. And next, just in time for the holidays, we have A Christmas Game by Dounut. We see a broadcast block with an on-start block for the beginning of the game to tell you how to play. Collect as many gifts as you can to get the highest score. Next, we have Lamborghini Race to End by Puffy Palace. Again, we see some when pressed blocks, but followed by repeat blocks to continue moving in that direction. Race around the maze with your super fast Lamborghini. And finally, we have Parkour Fun by Winter. We see when pressed blocks again, and if then blocks to know when your character can double jump. Journey through this platformer to collect all the coins and hearts. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do this too when coding with Tynker. See you next time!